Yo, what up, YouTube fans? It's your boy C-Spec, and we are out here. We're getting ready to pick up my Chevrolet C10, long awaited. Shit been sitting up forever. Man, Mark here at Rio's Racing. All right, he do a bunch of LS tuning and things like that. Right now, not doing no major jobs, mainly tuning and everything. But as you can see, he got a bunch of monsters out here, man. Got this G8. This right here is the fastest. Hey, you can go. I'm about to leave. Hey, you. Alright, so we got right here, like I was saying before I was rudely interrupted, this right here is the fastest G8 from what we know, unless you know anything different. Yeah, fastest G8, all stock, just not even bolt on, it's just tuning and things like that. Homeboy Mark Rios here, Rios Racing. Got me right. So that thing fire right up more. Yeah.
Just about all the changes I make into it.
Yeah.
Startup time and start fueling, it's adapting back into it where it's supposed to be.
Okay.
But like when we first got fired, you put it in gear, it would die.
Yeah.
You know, now put it in gear and it stays. The more you drive it, the more it's going to learn and adapt to the timing and fueling.
Okay. That sounds a lot better right there already. That sounds good too.
Like I said, it's going to take a few cold starts and
Yeah.
a little bit of driving.
Yeah. Look at that Performer RPM camshaft right there, y'all. Was the damn Fitech unit. Throttle position sensor was jacked up, so it was sending crazy signals. We wasn't gonna get it to start like that, so we're ready to roll out and head to the house. But turning like a kitten though, man. She's ready to roll, so get out of here. Yo, what up, YouTube fans? It's your boy C-Spec Kurt, man. I'm out here with the Chevrolet C10, of course. And what I'm doing today is I'm going to be switching over from distributor to electronic distributor, okay? So we want to be able to see our timing with the Fitech Go EFI on the handheld display. And in order to do that, you got to have the right distributor. You can't do it with the old HEI distributor, okay? So this is what you want to do. So what I did is I got my little tool right here. Went ahead and labeled all of my wires. I just put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in numerical order. Not worrying about the firing order because I'm just concerned about putting things back how they were. I got my spark plug out right here. I'm getting ready to turn the engine over, get it the top dead center. So I'm listening for compression. You should hear air pushing out of the cylinder right here, okay? So that's what we're going for right here. And when I do that, I should also be on number 1 plug wire right over here. So let's go ahead and get that done, and let's keep it moving.